Hi everyone, this is the ring of the rings. This is the brand new Samsung Galaxy Ring. Let's do a quick unboxing video and check out what's inside. So this is the box, okay? And I actually measure my ring size before I get this. Open this for the first time, you can actually tear from here. Okay. Oh, nice. Okay, personally, I like how is this looks like. Nicely done, Samsung. And it's just so simple. Just the box and then the container. Let's take a look. Wow, looks good, yeah? And then the type C is here. So what happened is you just need to charge the box and then the box will charge the ring. I was told that the ring can go up to 7 days without charging. So how cool is this? Look at this light. It's a bit magnetic, okay? So I'm gonna wear this. So this is size 10. Make sure you check it out at the Samsung store. Check it out on your finger because you're gonna use the gesture mode like this, okay? And this Samsung ring will actually link it to the Samsung wearable app. Okay, you can put it here or you can put it on the fourth finger. Okay, so you can do this gesture to take photos, to take video, or to switch off your alarm, and then you can wear this to sleep. I'm pretty excited for this actually. So it looks really cool. So I think this is really cool and really useful for me because I always wanted to check my sleeping pattern, but I don't really want to have a watch wearable like a smartwatch. So instead, I can use this Samsung Galaxy Ring. It can check the oxygen level, it can check a few functions, you can check my sleeping pattern, even skin temperature. And the best part is it's really light. This is a titanium black in color, and then it doesn't really like mess up your sleep. And I do really want to know what's wrong with my sleep. So this is one of the best way uh, to do it with this Samsung new wearable, which is the Samsung Galaxy Ring. You can also do like a long shot selfie or video selfie click by just doing gesture like this. This is important as you know that I travel a lot with tripod nowadays when I travel solo. So instead of asking people to help you, you just need to do this gesture. And then yeah, and then they actually take photos or take videos. So this simplifies a lot of things, okay? And on top of that, the design really looks cool because I think black is the new gold. They also have two different colors, which is the titanium silver and the titanium gold. But what I have here is the titanium black, which is pretty cool as well. So if you have any questions about Samsung Galaxy Ring, please do comment. Thanks for watching everyone, and Samsung Galaxy Ring.